Hi guys, it's Callie, and today I'm going to be showing you the flood that happened the past few days, and I'm just going to be showing you that. So let's get on to the video. So I'm just going to be outside. It might be a little bright out here. Whew, this is bright, and it stinks out here. So this is what it looks like. I'm walking down my stairs. This is what it looks like. As you can see behind me, everything. And it smells like cow poo. See? So that's what it looks like. And you can see behind me, it looks like, I live on a beach, like a beach house. And you can see behind me, like that. And there's cars behind me. So, yeah, I'm gonna go upstairs, and we have mud boots, and we have Chloe's little mud boots. As you can see, sometimes she's in my videos, sometimes she's not. And then they have these big ones for my brother. And, so, yeah, that's the flooding. Let's go in the water. No, please. I don't want the leech to get me. Okay, so that is the flooding of 2016. Louisiana floodings. Usually it would flood in like Texas, because when I was at my grandparents, it flooded a lot of their and it was like, it didn't go in our household, thank God. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I love you guys. Make sure to like, subscribe, and comment on this video. And thank you guys for watching. Bye.